There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see.
Hi loves, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see in the title, I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you could use an aloe vera plant to get massive, extreme hair growth, okay, and also fullness. All right, so are you in this with me? Let's do it together, okay? Okay love, so what you're gonna need is your coconut oil, all right, and the second oil in which I use is grapeseed oil. You could use whichever oil that your hair loves, okay? You don't have to use these two, but I prefer grapeseed oil and coconut oil for my hair. And make sure that you're using the organic kind, all right? So what we're gonna do is cut the tip off of the aloe vera, and also we're gonna cut the spikes at the ends of the aloe vera off because those are very sharp and prickly. So yes, we want to get rid of those as well. All right. Okay love, so the reason why I cut my aloe vera plant in halves is because I'm going to use 1/2 for the aloe vera oil, and I'm going to use the next half to make my deep conditioning treatment. Okay, so make sure if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below, and of course I'm going to respond to your questions. Okay, all right. Okay love, so what I'm doing is scooping out the aloe vera gel with a spoon in this Pyrex bowl. Okay, so if you have castor oil, because you know castor oil promotes thickness and also hair growth, you could also use 2 tablespoons along with this mixture. Okay, all you have to do is apply evenly to your scalp and the strands of your hair to cover your, and then cover your hair with a shower cap. You're gonna let the mixture sit on your head for I would say up to an hour or 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, and you just rinse it out with your shampoo of choice, and you will do this mixture, apply this mixture like once every week, and then you will see great results. Remember, you have to be consistent. So if you need great results, you do this mixture, you apply this mixture once every week. Okay, are you following along? All right. Okay, love, so after scooping out my mixture, I'm going to pour the gel inside the strainer, and I'm using my spoon at first, but the spoon wasn't doing nothing for me. It was moving very slowly, so I started going in with my hands at some point, but the gel was still coming out slowly through the strainer. So what I did was just leave the mixture in the strainer over the bowl, and I let it stay for an hour, and when I came back, all the gel was strained from the strainer into the bowl, and I'm going to show you what that looks like further along in the clip. Okay? Alright, stick with me. Okay, love, so that's what I'm talking. I left the gel for an hour, aloe vera for an hour in the strainer, and that's what's left from it. As you can see, all the gel is now in the bowl. Okay, so if you're having that problem, if you're using a strainer, just leave it in the strainer and have your bowl under the strainer, and you'll have the same result. All right. Okay, love, so now I'm going to first dab my hair with water, and then I'm going to go in with my aloe vera mixture for my deep conditioning treatment. And as I said earlier, if you have your castor oil, you could use your 2 tablespoons of castor oil in the mixture and apply it on your hair, and then you sit under your dryer for 30 minutes, or you could leave it under the steam cap without going under the dryer for 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, all right, so I'm just applying the aloe vera gel to my hair. This is of course a messy process. Okay, so you could just put on a shirt that you could just throw in the wash after, but yes, it's going to be a messy task. But I'm applying the gel to my hair, and of course I am massaging as I go, because remember, you always want to massage your scalp, because also that stimulates hair growth. Okay, do not forget that step. Please massage your scalp as you do this process. All right, okay. Okay, loves, this is only a friendly reminder. If you've reached this far in the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And also, if you're loving the video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like the video, show the video some love, guys. And also, please feel free to drop your comments down below. And if you love the channel, please don't forget to share the channel with your friends and family. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about the Mskimmyk family. Okay. Okay, love, so now I'm just gonna put on my steam cap and I'm going to go under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. If you do not have a hooded dryer, you could just leave your hair under your steam cap for an hour for you to get the same result, okay? Hair feels soft, hair feels soft and nice, hair feels good. Alright, so as you can see, I'm still massaging my scalp. Do not forget that major key step, okay, loves? Alright, so after I'm done, I'm gonna rinse my hair out in the shower, and then I'm gonna follow with the second step, which is the detangling process, okay? So I'm going to pour some more aloe vera on my hair. As you can see, I have my aloe vera in my hair, and I'm still massaging the scalp. And then I'm going to detangle my hair by using my bristle brush, okay? Okay, love, so now I'm going to use the other half of the aloe vera. All right, I'm cutting it up into small pieces to add it to my the oil mixture, okay? Okay, love, so I'm just showing you that's 2 tablespoons right there, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to that pot, okay? And then after that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my organic coconut oil as well to the pot, okay? So once my grapeseed oil and coconut oil is warm, okay, that's when I'm going to add my aloe vera to the pot, okay? And you're gonna watch your aloe vera, loves. You're gonna make sure that you're not burning the oil out or burning your aloe vera during this process, okay? So you see how bright that aloe vera is, very bright, right? So you want to watch the oil, watch the aloe vera, and it's going to turn a light brown color, and I'm going to show you what you're supposed to look for. So you see how you see that light brown on the top of that aloe vera right there. The skin is going to get a little brown, a light brown color, and that's when you're going to turn your stove off, turn the fire off, okay? So you keep on watching it. You could see the gel is turning a little brown, and that's when you're going to turn your pot off, okay? Please, guys, make sure you're paying attention to it, okay? All right. Okay, love, so once your oil is cooled down, you're just gonna pour it off and put it in your whatever container, bottle you have, whatever of choice, okay? And then what you're gonna do once the oil is cooled, guys, remember, please let the oil cool down. All right, do not put no hot oil to your scalp. All right, okay. All right, so what you're gonna do is apply this oil daily to your scalp. When you apply it on your scalp, make sure you're applying it with massages, okay? Massage your scalp with the oil. Do that daily, and then trust me, guys, you're going to see results, okay? All right, loves, if you love this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and also make sure you're subscribed to the Mskimmyk channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, loves, and I'll see you, loves, in the next one. Mwah. Bye bye.